Shey you know say predisolone dey cure cough. No be everybody know it. Yeah, that predisolone wey you know, predisolone is not only for pains. It's not only for that pains, leg pain. Some even use it as a rheumatism. They will tell you, I need a drug for rheumatism. Give me that rheumatism medicine. That tiny, tiny one. You find out that they are talking about predisolone. So predisolone, they also cure cough. You see that cough where they worry you. People say no go allow you rest. You go dey cough, your chest will dey pain you. You'll be trying to cough out something, and you think will refuse to come out. You have used syrup, even some will even add septrin, this and that. If you don't get money to go to hospital, yes, add predisolone. Go and buy predisolone. Use it for 7 days. If you no stop, then you can go to your hospital. You can go and see your doctor. But I'm telling you today that predisolone dey cure cough. So many people does not know it. They believe predisolone is only for pain. Na only pain predisolone dey cure. No. Predisolone e dey stop cough. So if you like this video, if you find this video interesting, please help me to like, share and comment. And if you are a nurse, your opinion is welcome. If you are a doctor, your opinion is welcome. Peace.